Okay. I'm in here, okay? Let's stay on the watch.
You guys help each other guard.
Okay, listen. I don't think we're gonna make it out of here. If we do, we're lucky. Okay? I'm scared. I really am scared. We have nice slingshots and all that, but I'm still very scared. I heard someone.
Guys, please, get in the house. They're gonna see us.
Okay, let's stay on the watch. Stay on the watch. Valerie, okay, my friend. Patty. You have to go with them. This is too dangerous. I don't know why I'm still recording. I'm just recording for the fans. This is not about fans. This is about life or death. Okay. We're gonna go this way. I think they're coming. I think I heard them coming. Go faster. Go faster. Hurry. Okay, see you on purpose.